Morning, Lottie. Happy Wednesday. Hi, Papa.
Hello.
What are you up to?
Making breakfast.
Doesn't she look so cute, Papa?
Very cute.
Alright, I'm gonna just quickly do my makeup. Is that alright?
Your breakfast is just about to be ready.
Ah, okay. Okie dokie. Breakfast time. Thank you, Papa.
You're welcome.
Si Charlotte is toast. Toast with scrambled eggs. Yung bread naman is made by Tom last night. At ang sarap niya. Kunyari, too much water. Cheers! Lapit na yun ah. Cheers! Cheers! Bless you! Bless you! Ayan, so time check, it is 9:30. I aim to leave 9:30, but sinabi ni Tam na 45 minutes lang naman yung drive there, and the appointment or the class for the sensory class starts at 11. So hopefully I can leave by 10 o'clock. And on time na, diba? And the main reason is Tam has a meeting at the moment and I don't like leaving without saying goodbye. So, hintayin natin sila. Charlotte, hintayin natin siya. Charlotte is just next to me right now, still having her breakfast kasi ang tagal niya kumain. Are you done? Or, no, not definitely not. Are you done with your food? Gagamitin ko yung mirror ng tart because yung other stuff ko is nasa room na yan, which is our spare room. So, yan yung ginagamit naming lounge at the moment. Kasi hindi kami pala TV, guys, or hindi kami pala lounge. We're always up to something, either cooking, we're outside gardening, or not even at home most of the time. Yung gamit na gamit talaga sa amin is dining table and kitchen. So, perfect siya kasi sa layout na ito, di ka siya mag-sala dito sa isang room, sa room kung saan itong dining din. So, ginawa namin, we used Lottie. Mama! Oh, yes, Lottie. We use the third bedroom as our anything room. So, andan yung desk ko kung saan nag-edit ako. Tao na, it's yours. Saan nag-edit ako ng mga videos and film sometimes. But yung goal ko talaga is to use my actual closet as my filming area. So, the room is free from kalat from me. Hindi lang yung makeup natin since we're just gonna do chores. I usually just literally put concealer kasi nga uneven yung skin ko. Mostly yung forehead ko. My forehead is way darker than the rest of my face. So I just use that as an advantage and pretend that is my bronzed area and just put concealer just over here. My nose has some uneven color as well, so in here. So I've just put concealer there, hopefully even it out. Charlotte's looking at me wondering, what are you up to, Mama? Are you done? Ha, thank you. So yan yung breakfast niya. Hindi niya naubos lahat and that's all right. Do you wanna have some water? A lot of water. Alright? Because you're tight no water as well. Alright, Mama's just gonna do her makeup. Is that okay? You can't have the makeup. I used to have a spoolie, but when I did my decluttering with all my makeup stuff, that was one that I let go. Oh, have some water. That's why you're coughing. You need water. I'll just leave it there, okay? Yeah. And so, the other end. And it tames my hair. Do you want me to put you down, Charlotte? You look so confused. Put you down, okay? OOTD for today, yeah, is this cute little dress with an inner that has flowers in it. This cardigan. My thermal siya sa loob. So she's wearing 3 layers. Fourth, if this is included. And then, para siyang stockings for kids. And then her Clark shoes. Yung hair niya, as always, is pigtails. Okay, go down now because Mama's gonna do her makeup. Good girl. So let her be for a while kasi the drive is like 45 minutes, diba? So I don't wanna like restrain her in the house when I'm about to put her in a car seat. Also, we used to have baby gates everywhere, like everywhere talaga. We have 3 baby gates, but we don't use them. We decided when we got back from our previous travel na do not do it because Charlotte is in the age that she's testing boundaries, right? And that's also the great way for us to tell her which are the no's and the yes in the house. Because if we keep putting the baby gates on those certain rooms, she will have zero clue kung ano yung mga boundaries sa kitchen, sa bathroom, and all. So it took us maybe a week or 2. No, you're not getting the camera, dear. And then now she knows what are her boundaries. And we've also learned to let go of some, like opening the drawers. She gets to do it, but in exchange of that, she learned how to put things back and pick it up. May mga times na nakakalimutan niya and I have to go and instruct her to pick it up and put it back. Again, as long as she listens, I think it's a win-win. Again, I'm not a professional or anything, so wag judge sa makeup. I'm just curling my lashes. What's that? Oh, ta daw sa libro. Little Red Riding Hood. Do you wanna help me flip the page? Thank you, ta. Another one. Ooh, Little Red Riding Hood. Ooh, another one. Who's that? Cat. Cat. The end. Ta. Thank you. Ta. 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 Little Red Riding Hood. Oh, red. Ta. Red. Girl. That's not mama. That's girl. Girl. Yes, girl. No, girl. I need to do this quickly because your father's gonna come out and then we have to leave by then. Yes, just gonna put some eyeliner. Lottie. Ready ka makinhawan o mag-eyeliner ka ba? Di dyan mag-move. After ito, so I use this. This is from collection ng tawag niya. Cheek and lip stain. I got this from Tesco sa makeup aisle nila when I ran out of my own. And I think cheek and lip tint are a really good travel makeup. Very lightweight, easy application, and very minimal ang pag-apply, but maximum ang result. That's not my train. You touch the wheels. Its wheels are too smooth. Now flip. That's not my train. Its windows are too shiny. How was the meeting?
It was good. Successful.
Okay. Yan. Highlighter na lang. Tapos na tayo. My favorite to do talaga sa highlighter is the ice. Okay, I'm done. Alright, we've just arrived. Lottie! Say hi! She is nagmuni-muni. Hello, can you see? Nope, can't see.
I know you've got a tail. Me and a tail. That's the money kangaroo there.
Hey?
It's the money
Yeah.
kangaroo. It
She's
is an
like a
elephant.
person.
It is an
Charlotte,
alligator.
come here.
That one's an elephant. The rest is a kangaroo.
We paid $15. Ayan. Ayan si Charlotte. Ang saya-saya niya. Step on it, Lottie. Lottie, look. Come here. Come here. Look. Yes. Yay. What's that? Come here, come here. Ooh. What's this? What's that? Lottie, dili, dili. Yeah. Ooh, come here. Come here. What's in here? Oh my goodness. Under the sea. May soft play mat sila dito. And then, di ko alam ano to. Parang activity center lang.
And I took it home.
And then,
It was like, I
di
want
ko alam ano yan. Parang
So
bridge.
I said to it, right, because I had my grandma's girls and stuff that I was going to be putting around it and just a bunch of flowers to go on top. I'd already got that all made. Yeah.
It's like we're doing a tour right now.
Oh, yes.
Go on.
This is the aquarium. And this is the crazy music area.
Go on, follow. Follow. Follow, Lottie.
Sounds like it when you come through here.
Come here, come here. Oh, goodness. Go on.
You'll be amazed when you come here.
Go on, Lottie, follow. Ooh. Go on, it's okay. Oh my goodness, look at that, Lottie.
Jellyfish and bubbles. And our penguins are all in there.
What is going on? Yeah.
Chilly in here.
Oh, she's loving it. She is loving it. This is so cool. That's for parents? I'm kidding.
Yeah, it can be. So when our adults come in, I do lift it up.
Yeah.
And it can take up to well, this one's 100. The
Yeah.
other swing that I've got in the kitchen ready to go up is 150. So it can do 2 adults if they're tiny. Yeah! Is it snowing in here? It's snowing.
Oh,
in
it's
here.
alive.
Is it snowing? And I've got my selection thing on the shelf
Yay.
here this week. Oh.
Wow. Lottie. Beep, 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 beep.
And the lights.
Lottie. What's that? Hold. Ta.
Oh, you got the power.
Shing.
Yeah.
You got this. Yeah. Dad. Alam niya mag-smile. Yan, shopping. Ha. Ha. Ay, dili. Magkano na namang damage. Ay, okay siya. Yay! In budget tayo, Lottie. We bought a lot of vegetables kasi when we arrived back from the UK, bumili kami ng daming meat. Even now, ang dami ko pa rin pinili na meat. May pork dito, chicken, and beef. And this time, I want Charlotte to try different types of meat. Let's hope Mama doesn't drive crazy. Yeah, because I forgot our shopping bag. Nana. Yan, sa ulit muna natin. Yeah. Yeah. It's very busy. We are at the saltwater seafood thingy. Can you see it? Yeah, there. And mahal ng mga isda. $30 a kilo usually yung mga fillet. And I promised Tom to buy fillet this time, but mahal talaga siya, bes. Hindi ko talaga siya ma-afford or ma-justify. So, bumili na naman ako ng bone-in, which is $12 for like 4 fishes na siya. Hindi ko alam anong fish siya, pero happy na ako niyan. Then, I bought 1/4 na kilo ng shrimp kasi gusto ko magawa ng garlic butter shrimp. What else? Yun lang. Ayun si Doug. Today's episode, maglilinis tayo ng isda sa daan. Akala ko nalinisan na nila, pero hindi pala eh. Ma! 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 Buti na lang at tinuruan kami ng ams namin maglinis ng isda. I think my hated part is the gills kasi may times talaga nasasaktan ako. Can you take her out, please? Sakit na ganito. Normally din sa Pinas, we take out we clean up small fishes, di ba? Ito, ang laki niya, ging, oh. Tingnan mo yung gills niya. Yeah. Lottie, are you okay with the smell? Hindi ako expert. Like, hindi siya nakukuha in one go. But I am very patient naman. Ito yung mga times na namimiss mo kung paano sa Pinas, how you buy fresh fish, tapos they clean it, at the same time they cut it how you wanna cook it. Kain! Say kain, Papa!
Kain.
Tayo!
Kain
Say it together. Yes! Kain tayo! Here's our dried fish. Iba ang menu ko sa menu nila. They're having chili. Tom is having chili burrito. And then Lotte is just chili with rice. And then I have fried fish with rice. Pray. Amen. Eat na, eat na. Eat. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my bird. Skirt. Earthquake.
It's under the door, under the door.
Good boy, Doug. That was a big one. Alright. We alright? Douglas, you stay, we're eating. Usually say cheers. Cheers. Mysterious Papa, can't you see in the video? No, sorry! Cheers! Cheers! Do it for the gram.